Sir, now
Mhm.
you should also like share your experience, like how you felt about every student. Tell some good thing about them, sir.
Yes, sir. I want to
Yes,
know,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Really, sir.
Yes, sir. Cause
Sir,
sir,
sir, you
you were, cause sir, you guys have spending 3 months, and sir, I probably know, like, you know a lot about them. So like share something
sir,
Yeah,
everyone,
definitely.
sir.
Yeah, definitely.
about
Like,
each of the students, sir, about each
yeah,
of the
like I
Yes,
students.
have
sir.
Asian, like I have like a lot of memories, like so like really, like I have a lot of memories like with you. So yeah, I would like to say something like about the memories which we created together over here. It was an amazing experience so far. Okay, so but I mentioned some people over there like who I found very strange, like ever since they started attending the classes on this particular platform. Like one of them is Ziaul Haq. Okay, as I told you, like I requested him so many times, like you need to reveal your face, but he always refused to show his face. Okay, but finally he showed his face over there. But when it comes to the we have over here Sapna. Okay, Sapna over here. Like like when I started teaching them, like they were I think three or four in that group. Okay, when we started, like in the initial days, I started teaching them about the things over there, and believe me, I made them understand about the things so many times over there, and believe me, they used to make a lot of mistakes over there. Okay, and believe me, they didn't know that when we have to use do, when we have to use did, and really, I was fed up with them. Really, I was fed up with them, and I wanted to tell them like so many times. I felt like that if they would me like in front of me, then I would definitely kill them or I would beat them. I would beat them over there. But like you're just getting the knowledge by this online platform. Let's learn English. So it was not possible for me. So definitely like over there that it was really irritating. But day by day they got some improvement over there, and I knew
Sorry
it
to
that
interrupt you, sir. I never forget this sentence, sir.
yeah, definitely,
Sir,
definitely,
आपने कहा था मैं दिल्ली आके आपको मारूंगा.
definitely.
Even I never forget, sir, these
Yeah,
type
yeah,
of lines.
yeah. Definitely, like I told her so many times that, like you don't, Sabna, you don't make the mistakes over there. You make the blunders. Okay, you make the blunders over there. And I still remember when it comes to the race, I still remember like really appreciate his grit, and I have been appreciating him for a long period of time because the moment he joined our class over there, I still remember that he was not capable to say even a word. He was not capable to say even a word over there. And he extremely worked hard. And because of his hard work, because of my guidance, and because of his hard work, he did everything. He achieved everything. Because right away, like I have, like when the moment he started attending the class from me, I still remember he told me, sir, if you have only 10 or 20 minutes, sir, please give me the 20 minutes. But sir, I want to, and sir, continue my classes over there because I want to attend your class every day. But still, like he's over here, and still I remember like he was not capable to say even a word, but right away like he is capable, as he already mentioned over there, sir, I'm capable to make the conversation with anyone like more than 10 minutes, 20 minutes, that's enough for me. Within a short amount of time I got this improvement. So really, so I was thinking about it, maybe like it's going to take him a lot of time, like race, when it comes to race, I was thinking about it that it's going to take him a lot of time because he is he was not capable to say even a word over there, but because of his hard work he achieved it within a short amount of time over there. Okay, and when it comes to some other legends over here, we had the Kurat over here. Okay, we had the Kurat over here. She used to spend our offline classes over there, and she knows each and everything that how I used to beat them with my 32 number sleeper over there. Whenever they used to make the mistakes over there, so I used to beat them with my 32 number sets. She still remember. So I have some memories with them, like such type of the memories when I used to beat them every day. And last time we had a girl over here. They were like sitting together, and I beat them over there in a row. And after that she started crying over there, and after that I made her understand that your teacher is just like your guardian. So did you get hurt like I beat you? And she mentioned over there, sir, I'm not crying because you beat me over here. I'm just crying because I'm just working hard every day. I'm just putting my efforts every day, but I'm not having any kind of the improvement over there. That's the reason I'm depressed. That's the reason I'm desperate. That's the reason I'm just crying over here. So because I'm not getting any kind of the improvement, and I suggested her, Like I suggest you the same example, I suggest you the same thing to you so many times, and I suggested that thing to her that very particular time. Just keep on working hard, be a persistent. Believe me, all your hard work will always pay off. Your hard work will always pay off. Just keep on doing, become a persistent. No matter how many times the life is going to smash you, no many times that you are going to fall down, but keep on working hard, and definitely ultimately you're going to achieve your goal. And finally she did it, and Kurat is over here and she knows very well that how she got the improvement within a 1 month. She copied my pronunciation and she started talking like me.